A crowd gathers at Kiawara, Nyeri County, waiting to see whether Gabriel Nderitu will make history today. 47-year-old Gabriel tunes out their voices, focusing on the task at hand. He dreams of soaring with the birds in an aircraft built with his own 2 hands. 12 other aircrafts he has built before have all failed to take off. He hopes things will be different this time, the 13th time. The engines roar to life, and then Upendo is out of his hands and down what passes as a runway. For a few glorious seconds, Upendo is airborne, and then it crashes to the ground. Another dream dashed. But it will take more than this to crush Gabriel's ambitions. The 47-year-old IT consultant has been building aircrafts with knowledge acquired from the internet for years now. This is his 13th aircraft. It is a costly, self-sponsored venture.
Gharama iko juu sana kwa sababu sasa zile vitu saa ingine inaharibu zinakuanga kali kidogo kidogo. Kwa hivyo saa ingine hatufanyi hivyo tu, kwanza tunangojea tupate hizo maspare. Zingine mingi natoka ng'ambo.
It would be easy to give up now, but he can't, not until his dream takes off.
Lengo hasa ni kwamba tutaweza kujenga ndege ya kubeba watu wawili labda kukifika mwaka wa 2017. Hiyo ndio lengo letu kabisa.
For now, however, Nderitu will take a break to stock up on supplies before building his 14th aircraft. 13 is not a lucky number after all. Wilkis Anyabo, Citizen Live at 1.